Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing this Anker Prime. Is this thing, the Anker Prime 9.6 65-watt Fusion, and this is a pretty cool charger as it is a battery bank as well as a wall adapter all in one. So you can take this on the go. You can charge your phone from it with the wall. You can leave it plugged in, using it charging every night, and say like your power goes out in the middle of the night or whatever, then you don't have to worry about waking up to your phone not being charged. It'll charge off the battery. So plenty of different uses for this thing. It's got their smart display on it that shows you the output, the input, the time to discharge, the time to charge. It gives you all that information on it. So very, very nice. Nice and compact. What is going on here? Looks like we have some kind of lanyard in here that's pre-attached and stuck in the box. Alright, so have a little lanyard on it, which is cool. If you're going to be traveling with it, I'll probably take that off because it's going to be plugged in most of the time for me. Got a nice braided USB C to C cable, which is nice that they include this because you don't really need a C to C cable to charge the device itself. You only need to, have a wall outlet available. You can charge it with the, it looks like there's something else on this side, but this side doesn't want to open as easy as the other side did. So, yep. And in true Anker fashion, there is a carrying case or carrying pouch bag thing right there. And this was like $96 with tax, I think is what I paid for it at Best Buy. I got a gift card when I bought my OnePlus 13 the other day, so I've kind of been eyeing one of these for a while. And I figured, okay, well, I'll go ahead and pick one up. Go ahead and turn it on here, and it comes completely dead. So that's something to keep in mind. I did not know that this actually had their full smart display where it gave you the battery information and the charge cycles and the health and temperature and all that kind of stuff. I thought it was just giving you a percentage based on the picture on the box and the website, but no, it actually gives you all that information. And it's actually kind of a mini version of my big Anker battery bank right here. This is the Anker Prime 26,000, I think it is. 27,000, Anker Prime 27,000. So it's got the same kind of deal where this one has Bluetooth, this one does not have Bluetooth, but this gives you the battery temperature and the battery health and all that kind of stuff right here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to charge one power bank with the other power bank, just so we can see some of the stats and everything. So we'll go ahead and plug that in there. I don't think it matters what, yeah, it doesn't matter what port you use. These both say in and out. So we're just going to plug it into this one, which I think is number 1. So we got that over there. And we can see this is going to figure out its connection here. Maybe. But not plugging all the way. Okay. It might not like this because they might be trying to charge each other. Let me plug in that one first and then plug it into this one. Yeah, I don't think it's happy about that. Yeah, I think they're trying to like charge each other or something. Let me try the other port. I know on the power bank on this power bank I can go on the app and change the, actually hold on, I have an idea. I can go on the app here real quick and change the, come on, change the port to output only on this power bank if it connects. There we go. Let's see, settings, port status, port 1, we're going to do output only. Okay, so now port 1 should be output only, not an input. And kaboom, there we go. That was the issue. They were trying to They didn't know who wanted the power. They were trying to charge each other. So now we can see this one is picking up power. We can see it pretty much matches there. This one's getting 1.9 watts in, and this one is providing 1.4. So there's a little bit of a difference there, but this one should pick up here. It's probably got to start charging because, like I said, it was stone cold dead. It's at 0.03% charged. So it's probably going to have to charge up a little bit before it actually starts going full power. It says hold for settings. So we can turn on, so you can actually change the port status on this one to input and output, or output only. Oops. So you double press to switch it. So yeah, C1 can also be output only if you want it to. If you're trying to charge like another power bank like this, like what I'm doing here. So that is, that's pretty nice. Long press to exit settings. So now we can see that we are charging. We're pulling 28.9 watts, an hour and 21 minutes remaining, and we are at 1% charged right now. So this says 28, this says 29, so it's about a watt difference, but that's to be expected. So very, very cool. I like this little mini design. It's got the fold out prongs on it, like I said, right here, to where you can plug it in and charge it. You can also use it as an output to do pass-through charging while this is charging. So this is an excellent little portable power bank. You don't have to worry about having another cable or adapter if you need to charge this. You just find an outlet, you can plug this puppy in and top it off, you know, if you're like a cafe or something like that. So very, very nice. I like how they have the same design. This is literally just a mini version of this one right here. So very, very cool. I'm probably gonna go plug it into the wall outlet and let it charge instead of charging off this. There's no point in draining this battery to charge that battery, but it was just here and ready to go to show you guys. So there we go. That is the Anker Prime. What is this thing called again? Anker Prime 9.6K, so it's 9.6 yeah, 9.6 milliamp hour, not 9.6 milliamp hours, 9600 milliamp hours, 65 watt total output, and I believe total input. And it is the Fusion. I guess that's because it's a battery bank and the charger in one, but it is a Prime series device. So there we go. I'm calling it Techout. Link will be down in the description below if you guys want to pick one of these up for yourselves. As always, have a great day.